Welcome to this guided meditation to de-stress and unwind. Let's gently transition into this time, releasing the grip of the day. There's no pressure to instantly achieve a state of perfect calm. Simply listen with an open heart, allowing the gentle process to unfold naturally. Just let it happen. Let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, sitting down with your feet gently resting on the ground, or lying down with the earth supporting your entire body. Close your eyes gently, or cast your gaze downward. Turn your palms gently upward, an open gesture of your willingness to be fully present in this moment and to receive whatever gifts it may have to offer. In this meditation, we will gently harness the profound strength of your breath, allowing it to guide us into a state of peaceful alignment. Begin by simply noticing your breath, the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Observe the gentle rise and fall within your body without trying to change it in any way. Allow your breath to become your anchor, your steady guide to stillness in this moment. And now allow my words to accompany your breath as we draw in calm and allow tension to melt away. Breathe in the calm you are seeking, inviting its gentle presence into your heart and mind, allowing it to soothe any edges. Breathe out the lingering echoes of the day, conversations, the tasks, allowing them to drift away like soft clouds carried by the breeze. Breathe in a sense of deep peace, quiet stillness that settles within you. Breathe out any words left unspoken today, any frustrations held within, releasing them into the spaciousness around you. Let them float away. Breathe in the beauty of this very moment, this precious now, right here. Notice the subtle sensations of being. Breathe out any frustration or disappointment from expectations unmet, allowing them to gently dissipate into the stillness. In a feeling of serenity, tranquil stillness washing over you. Breathe out all that lies beyond your control, surrendering to the flow of this present moment with grace and acceptance. Now rest in stillness. Allow yourself to simply be. Know that deep within your being, you are loved. You belong here exactly as you are. You matter completely. You are enough in this very moment, just as you are, without needing to change or do anything. Take one final deep, gentle breath in, filling yourself with this note, a sense of belonging and worthiness, and exhale with a soft sigh of release and acceptance. Begin to bring a gentle awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Listen to the sounds around you in this space. There's no need to rush. Carry this sense of calm and inner peace with you as you gently prepare to transition back to your day. Thank you for sharing this time with me today. May the peace that you have found continue to guide you until our paths meet again.